Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hassan and today we are going to fix error add action WP footer function in WordPress. Before starting work, it's my request, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Now back to our work. Now on top you see error. So some script not load properly in our WordPress website. So we are going to fix it. Now right click on it and then click on inspect. Now inspect element open and then expand it and then you see div id and then you see add action and then you see script. So this jQuery caused this error. So we added custom code for Elementor form field in WordPress to change date layout, but this code caused error. On top you see add action WP footer. So this jQuery not load properly. Now go to dashboard. On left side you see Elementor and then you see custom code. So click on it. Then you see custom code. So click on edit. Now edit code open and scroll down. So this is our code and then you see location body start. Now click on it and then select body end and then enable this option, always load jQuery. Enable this and then click on update. Now custom code updated. Go to website page. On top you see error. Now refresh the page. Now you see issue is fixed and now scroll down. Click on date field. Select date. So our code is working fine. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.